Hello, hello. Welcome, everybody. I am making a quick video today to chat about a new initiative that we are launching. We're very excited about it, and it is the Clarity version 2 Incentivized Testnet working group. Now, the last few years, our team has been working so hard to make it a non-technical experience to create and manage fully on-chain treasuries with fully on-chain votes that automatically execute if they reach certain thresholds. And we're super excited to bring this product to the Cardano community. So with that being said, before we go to mainnet, we want to make sure that everything is working as expected. And to do that, we are creating a collective effort between our team and the broader Cardano community to come together and test all the features of the platform and come together and cultivate feedback, see what needs to be done before this protocol goes live on testnet. So I'm going to quickly go through what the working group is, how it will work, and we will go from there. So really, what we're doing is we're trying to cultivate a diverse group of people in the Cardano ecosystem that are knowledgeable or really just want to test out a new protocol on Cardano. We're looking for about 20 individuals. Now, depending on interest, this can go up and down. So I also want to talk about why this working group is so important, because what this does is this working group kind of underscores the commitment and reliability and user satisfaction of the protocol we're building. We've had audits of the underlying infrastructure, but really we want the community to come on and start using the interface and interacting, creating stakes, participating in on-chain votes, creating Agora DAOs, and really start testing the protocol. So this is all about testing the protocol before it goes live on mainnet. So we're cultivating this group because we really want the community to be involved in the eventual mainnet launch of our protocol that we've been working to build over the last 2 years. Now, really, what we're going to test within this working group is all of the features that are involved in version 2 of the Clarity platform. So what this is the creation of Agora DAO. So from a front end interface, you can set custom governance rules, custom governance tokens, and you're able to create a on-chain organization that has smart contracts that govern the treasury, and you can create governance actions to spend treasury funds, stake treasury funds, update the governance parameters of that organization. So we want the community to get in the weeds of, okay, this is how it works to operate a fully on-chain treasury in the Cardano ecosystem. So we're going to go through Agora DAO creation. We're going to go through creating on-chain proposals from the interface, and we can see kind of how easy that is without having any technical knowledge. We'll go through participating in these different organizations and kind of formulating ways to think about what governance rules do you want to create? How do you want your proposals to be carried out? What are the timing? How long is the draft phase? How long is the voting phase? Depending on how you want your DAO to be set up. We'll also look at other features of the platform, such as creating snapshot organizations with custom governance rules and other governance actions you can create using the snapshot implementation. And there's a few other things that are available on the platform that we'll have the working group test out. But yeah, it's going to be really exciting. We're going to bring together a bunch of people interested in governance and DeFi and treasury management and all these different things on Cardano to really get in deep and test out the platform, come together, create ideas so that we can become an ecosystem that is primed for adoption of DAOs as a new governance structure that legitimate companies can adopt, so that they can operate transparently and efficiently on top of a decentralized system. Now, the working group timeline, it's going to kick off in early January. So January 3rd will be the first meeting. We'll have different times for these meetings to accommodate for the global Cardano community. Some people are in different time zones. Some people are in Asia. Some people are in Europe. Some people are in North America, all over the world, right? So we'll have different meeting times so that people can hop in when it fits and makes sense for them. So we'll have 4 sessions throughout the 4 weeks of the month of January. Now, the first session, it will be an introduction to the protocol. We will explain what the protocol is, and we will also have an initial tutorial of how you get set up on testnet, how do you get testnet assets in your preview on the preview network, so that you can make sure that you are set up and ready to test all the features of the platform. And we'll outline different objectives of the working group so that after we meet, people can start using the platform and participating in governance and giving feedback and all that good stuff. Now, the second session, it will be to gather initial feedback. So we'll have the next week, after people have messed around with the product a good amount, we'll gather feedback, and then we'll have a continuation of testing going off of that feedback. The next week, it will be another discussion of feedback, and we're also going to really dive deep into, okay, this working group, they're in the Cardano ecosystem. They've used different protocols. They've probably thought about treasury management and governance and different proposals that DAOs can pass to have different effects that automatically execute, whether it's staking to a stake pool, or having DAO treasuries participate in DeFi, or having stable coins governed by a decentralized system, whatever it may be. There's going to be a ton of ideas. This is probably what I'm most excited for within the working group, but we will definitely have deep discussions about, okay, this is the base of this protocol. How can we make it modular so that everyone can build on top of it? Everyone can participate. This infrastructure serves the needs of decentralized communities as best as possible. And then in the final session, what we will do is we'll have the final feedback session. We'll conclude the working group activities, and that will be that. We really want to build this group so that before we go to mainnet, we can have the community give their feedback and test the product and give their thoughts and input about how the direction of this protocol should go, and what kinds of bugs should we solve before we launch, all of that good stuff. But the last thing I will leave you with is, your participation and feedback is so valued, but not only is it valued, it's actually vital and integral to our journey towards a successful launch. We really do believe in the power of community. We really do believe in, governance on top of blockchain systems and decentralized systems. We really do believe in decentralized communities to come together and create innovative things. And we're so excited to finally be at the point where we're actually talking about launching on mainnet. But before we do that, we want to do things the right way. And what that means is that bringing the community together to test out this protocol. So we're so excited to see who is interested, who will join this working group. And I can't wait to work with you guys so that we can get into it more. Thank you very much. And I hope to see you in the working group. There is instructions below on this YouTube video, on Twitter, in our Discord about how to join the working group. You really just have to fill out a simple online form and we will be in touch. And that's about it, guys. So until next time, thank you very much.